Car insurance rates here in our country are higher than they have ever been, with a national average annual premium of $1,427. While we don't often think about the cost of insurance when buying a new car, maybe we should be, because for the first time ever, distracted driving is now specifically being penalized by insurance companies with those rates. So the question, how is this nationwide trend impacting us on the road here in Maryland? Joining us now with the answer is Joshua D. Zibiak, COO of Zebra Insurance. Thanks for being here again, Josh.
Thanks for having me.
Great to have you here, sir. So let's just go right out of the gates. For our viewers here in Maryland, how are we ranking on this whole new affordability scale with insurance?
Yeah, so the good news for Maryland is that it's on the better end of the spectrum. So Maryland is number 35 on our list of most expensive states in the country. And Maryland has only really seen a 2% increase since 2011. But the average premium is still relatively high, right? It's $1,200 there in Maryland to get on the road insured.
Absolutely, and we know here in our state, even county by county, you cross across the city line, those rates go up. So we are paying our share of insurance here in our state. Tell us a little bit more about just the overall, situation now with auto insurance in Maryland and across the country.
Sure. So, of course, the state of auto insurance is very expensive, as I mentioned. So we're seeing a 20% increase since 2011 nationwide. Some states, like Maryland, have seen less increase, and others have actually seen a little bit of a decrease, but overall it's up quite a bit. So it's a bit volatile. Also, there's sort of the verdict's still out on technology. So how technology is playing into insurance premiums, accidents, claims, and things like that. But we are seeing carriers for the first time ever begin to really penalize their customers for any sort of distracted driving violation.
Yeah, and that's huge. I mean, look, we see it everywhere on the road, people on their phone, texting. We know it's against the law here in our state and in many states now. People still do it. And I mean, this is having a huge impact on all of our rates, I would think.
It is, and it used to be that distracted driving violations had no impact or very little on your insurance premiums. When we ran this data from 2011, it was only a $3 impact on your annual premium. Today, a distracted driving violation could cause your rates to increase by about $200 or more per year.
Unbelievable. And look, I have to say, well deserved. I think. Look, I saw a college student the other day had the laptop on the steering wheel, Josh. I mean, come on. This is like beyond distracted, right? So, look, people who are trying to navigate this, get the best insurance rate they can, maybe when they're shopping for a new car. I mean, what should we be doing right now to try to put ourselves in the best situation with auto insurance?
Yeah, besides putting your phone down, of course, and paying more attention to the road and keeping a clean driving record, we always recommend that people shop around. Rates have risen. People don't realize that they could be drastically overpaying, especially if they have kept a relatively clean driving record and haven't had issues such as distracted driving. So we definitely recommend, go online. You can use tools like thezebra.com, comparison shop, and look at what's out there. Our tool in particular, will also help you understand what you can do over time to reduce your risk and therefore reduce the price that you're paying. Very
good information for us today, and just so timely. Again, we see it so much out there on the road. We want everyone to drive safe. We also want them to have the best insurance rates. Joshua Zibiak with Zebra Insurance, thank you so much for being with us, sir.
Thanks for having me.
And we will be back with more Midday Maryland right after the break. Stay here.